AI newsletter secrets revealed, tips for beginners. In the fast-paced world of digital content creation, the power of AI newsletters cannot be underestimated. As a content creator myself, I understand the thrill of connecting with audiences through engaging and personalized newsletters. The journey of crafting the perfect newsletter is a blend of creativity, strategy, and innovation, and it is this journey that we are about to embark on together. Imagine having the ability to reach your audience directly in their inbox, delivering valuable content tailored to their interests and preferences. This is where the magic of AI newsletters comes into play. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, we can unlock a world of possibilities in creating compelling and impactful newsletters that resonate with our subscribers. In this video, we will look into the secrets of AI newsletters, unveiling insider tips and strategies for beginners looking to elevate their newsletter game, from selecting the right AI tools to crafting captivating content. We will explore the key elements that contribute to the success of AI newsletters. Get ready to uncover the hidden gems of newsletter creation and take your content to new heights with AI technology. Let's dive into the exciting world of AI newsletters. Imagine having a digital assistant that helps you create personalized newsletters that captivate your audience. That's the power of AI newsletters in a nutshell. These newsletters utilize artificial intelligence technology to analyze data, predict user preferences, and deliver content tailored to individual interests. When it comes to creating AI newsletters, selecting the right tools is crucial for success. There are a variety of AI tools available that can help content creators streamline their newsletter creation process, optimize content, and analyze performance metrics. Here are some key factors to consider when choosing the right AI tools for your newsletter strategy. Personalization capabilities. Look for AI tools that offer robust personalization features, allowing you to tailor content based on subscriber preferences, behavior, and demographics. Personalized newsletters have higher engagement rates and foster stronger connections with your audience. Automation features. Automation is a key component of AI tools, enabling you to schedule newsletters, segment your subscriber list, and trigger personalized emails based on user actions. This saves time and ensures timely delivery of content to your audience. Analytics and reporting. Choose AI tools that provide detailed analytics and reporting capabilities to track the performance of your newsletters. Metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates can help you optimize your content strategy and improve engagement. Integration options. Consider AI tools that seamlessly integrate with your existing email marketing platform or content management system. This ensures a smooth workflow and allows you to leverage the full potential of your AI tools. By carefully evaluating these factors and selecting the right AI tools for your newsletter strategy, you can enhance the effectiveness of your campaigns, engage your audience more effectively, and ultimately drive better results for your content creation efforts. Choose wisely and watch your AI newsletters soar to new heights of success. Crafting compelling content. Let's talk about the magic of crafting compelling content that captivates your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Creating content that resonates with your viewers is an art form, and with a sprinkle of creativity and a dash of strategy, you can take your content to the next level. First things first, know your audience inside and out. Understand their interests, preferences, and pain points. By speaking directly to their needs and desires, you can create content that truly connects with them on a personal level. Next, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Experiment with different formats, styles, and topics to keep your content fresh and engaging. Whether it's a how-to video, a behind-the-scenes look, or a fun challenge, variety is the spice of life when it comes to content creation. Remember, storytelling is key. Weave a narrative that draws your audience in and keeps them hooked from start to finish. Whether you're sharing a personal anecdote, exploring a trending topic, or diving into a deep dive analysis, storytelling adds depth and emotion to your content. Lastly, be authentic and genuine. Your audience can sense when you're being real, so don't be afraid to show your personality, and let your unique voice shine through in your content. Authenticity builds trust and loyalty with your viewers, creating a strong bond that keeps them coming back for more. So go forth and craft compelling content that wows your audience and leaves them wanting more, optimizing for success. When it comes to AI newsletters, optimizing for better open rates and engagement is key to achieving success. To enhance the performance of your newsletters, consider implementing the following strategies. Personalization is paramount. Use AI tools to segment your subscriber list based on preferences, behavior, and demographics. Tailoring your content to individual subscribers can significantly increase open rates and engagement, as readers are more likely to engage with content that resonates with their interests. A/B testing can help you fine-tune your newsletter content and design. Experiment with different subject lines, layouts, and call-to-action buttons to see what resonates best with your audience. By analyzing the results of these tests, you can optimize your newsletters for maximum impact. Implementing dynamic content based on subscriber interactions can boost engagement. Use AI algorithms to deliver personalized content recommendations, product suggestions, or special offers tailored to each subscriber's preferences. This level of customization can drive higher engagement and conversion rates. Analyzing data and metrics is crucial for improving newsletter performance. By tracking metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates, you can gain valuable insights into what resonates with your audience and what areas need improvement. Use this data to refine your content strategy, test new approaches, and continuously optimize your newsletters for better results. Optimizing AI newsletters for better open rates and engagement requires a combination of personalization, testing, and data analysis. By leveraging AI tools and analytics, you can create newsletters that resonate with your audience, drive engagement, and ultimately achieve your newsletter goals. Let's recap the key points discussed. Personalization is crucial for engaging your audience and driving better results. Tailor your content to individual preferences, using AI tools for segmentation and customization. A/B testing allows you to experiment with different elements of your content to identify what resonates best with your audience. Use this data-driven approach to refine your strategies and improve performance. Data analysis is essential for understanding your audience's behavior and preferences. Track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to gain insights and make informed decisions. For beginners looking to create successful AI newsletters, apply the tips shared here. Start by personalizing your content, testing different approaches, and analyzing data to optimize performance. Embrace experimentation, stay curious, and be open to learning from your experiences. By implementing these strategies and staying committed to continuous improvement, you can create engaging and impactful AI newsletters that resonate with your audience and drive success. Remember, success is a journey, and with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your goals in the world of digital content creation. Best of luck on your newsletter journey. Join us for more valuable content. Like and subscribe now for the latest updates.